I think it's the highest honor a songwriter, a composer can, really achieve. To like somewhat people tell you that your songs help them in some way. Pero yung relatability kasi, for me, I don't try to force it sa mga people. I just try to be honest with what I'm writing based on what I've experienced or maybe something that I've learned from someone through conversations. Ganun lang talaga siya. Pero I'm deeply honored para sa mga nagsasabi na yung kanta ko ay talaga nakatulong for them. I think yung commercial appeal naman po versus authenticity, hindi naman sila parang antonyms. Kumbaga, directly na, kumbaga yung isa, pag ganito ka, ganito na yung isa.
Hindi siya mutually exclusive.
I think yung commercial appeal na achieve siya through clarity kapag maganda yung hooks mo, yung rhythm ng kanta ko, yung beats mo, pero yung authenticity, lumalabas siya dun sa storya mo, yung kung paano ba ikukwento yung storya. So, definitely authenticity, it can be interpreted in different ways. So, kumbaga, kahit ito yung mensahe mo, pwede mo siya gawin hip-hop, pwede mo siya gawin rock. So, it comes in different ways. Okay. Pero po siguro, just like in music theory, although I'm not really well versed in music theory, merong rules. So you try to learn all the rules for you to be able to bend it. Kasi po ako, kapag nagsusulat ako, mahalaga rin sa akin yung performance. If it sounds good sa paper, pero hindi siya madulas pakinggan kapag kinakanta ko, it needs revision. So, dun po pumapasok yung creativity ng mga songwriters, artists alike. Pagdating sa kung paano nila mapapaganda yung tunog ng mga artists, ng mga nakanta nila. So yun po, effective po kasi siya eh. For you to be able to be heard, kailangan maganda yung matinig from you. So, yun, mahalaga. Sa songwriting, di ba, hindi lang naman mensahe. It's the whole thing. Lahat na recados, lahat nagko-compliment para may ibigay yung mensahe ng kanta. So, yun talaga yung pinupunto ko doon. It's not to like ridicule or maybe, it's not coming from a very negative position, pero gusto ko lang po talaga i-share kung ano yung nalalaman ko pagdating sa kung paano ko sinusulat yung mga awitin na ginagawa ng SPM. If I may add, siguro po may context din. If I'm writing a song na conversational, I let the writing breathe. Kumbaga, very chill writing. Kumbaga, doon marami talagang bending. If it's a ballad or a poetic one, mas heavy words yung ginagamit ko. Mas leaning towards mga rules talaga. Siguro, ganun po yung workaround ko pagdating sa paggawa ng mga kanta. Pero as a Filipino creator myself, I want siguro for Filipino creators to be more respected, to be more protected, and to be paid properly. Kasi po ako, nung first na nag-start ako sa industry, music industry, syempre, you were really excited, full of enthusiasm, diba? Excited ka, full of energy. Tapos, when you get shunned by people who you think would help you sa industry, kasi may mga ganun pong tao, kaya rin po nabuo yung Rad Kids. I believe great ideas can come from anyone, regardless of your gender, your age. Kaya po nabuo yung Rad Kids kasi naniniwala ako na kahit anong edad mo, kahit anong kasarihan mo, you can create something good. And through your experiences, you can share something that would really help people to be inspired and motivated. And so, ayun po yung gusto kong mangyari. Sana through my craft and through everything that I've been doing right now, makatulong siya para mas maging respetado lahat ng mga Filipino creators, mas protected sila sa mga rights nila, kaya po nandiyan ang SLP. syempre, money para masustain yung art natin lahat. Yun yung pinakamahalaga.
Thank you so much po. So, sige po, sure.
So I'm sorry po, daldal ko for a first timer na kinakabahan. Pero I really like what we have been talking about here. Nabanggit po kasi kanina yung parang network, yung mga songwriters connecting to other countries. And alam naman natin ang mga Filipinos, very avid consumers ng music. Talagang napapaboost nila yung market ng iba't ibang countries na gano'n sila magmahal. Pag nagmahal sila, talagang todo-todo. So for Filipino songwriters to be connected into the world, malaking bagay po yun kasi parang nagkakaroon din sila ng dito. Alam niyo na po yun, di ba? Alam niyo na. Nagkakaroon sila ng connection para marinig ng buong mundo yung kanta nila. And they could learn from it. Sabi ko nga po kanina, my parents didn't allow me to pursue this kind of career, but I'm a rebel, so I did it anyway. Pero, ayun po, now, nandito na ako, I'm able to inspire people with my songs. So, hopefully, yung iba pang songwriters, aspiring songwriters, magkaroon pa ng lakas na loob, courage to really pursue yung pagsusulat.